Have you ever thought that maybe following a design trend is actually not very healthy for you? I know that sounds very dramatic, but I'm a little dramatic, but what I mean by that is trends are generally things that come and go. They're not here for a long time. And if you're doing that in your home, you're going to have to switch it up if you want to follow the trends and have the next big thing. And that's not that practical for a lot of us. So that's not overly very healthy for anyone, really. But you're also not choosing things that are what make you feel good, what is right for you and your family, specifically what is going to work for you necessarily. You're choosing what sort of works for the masses, what everyone else has, what is going to look good as a before and after picture on Instagram, on Pinterest, wherever you see all the pictures. And that's something that's happened recently with everyone being at home a lot more. Everyone's been online, and a lot of the stuff that you see is what you see, these beautiful pictures before and after, or certain trends that are there, and everyone has the same house, everyone has the same everything. And because we've been online so much, even more than usual, we're really just seeing into everybody else's home and their version of basically perfection, which isn't realistic for us. So if you want to choose things for your home, if trends make you really happy, then that's what you should do. But it's not necessarily best for everyone. So in your home, just choose things that make you feel good, that work for you and your family, that are functional, things that you want to be around, things that make you happy, because you need to feel comfortable in your home. It doesn't matter what makes sense to anybody else. It's your home. It's where you should feel safe, comfortable, and happy.